Welcome back, everybody, to the final episode of my E-85 conversion of my GY6 scooter. It's been a long fight, and I'll bring you through the process, but I have to finish it up. I've been working at it, tuning for weeks just to get it to run. And it's running. So let me show you how it runs, and then we're going to talk about it real quick. And there we go. E-85? No. It has me whipped. I've been tuning this thing for weeks. I can get it to run on idle. Once you hit that gas, it goes way too lean, and boom, cuts the engine. What happened? Started out with the standard carburetor, running way too lean. Put on the performance carburetor, extra big. Got a little bit down, a little bit richer, still running lean. Put in some super huge jets, 150, 160 I believe. Got a little bit better, still running lean. Whatever I do, I got the needle up, I got that air fuel screw out as much as possible. I'm just dumping as much E-85 into the engine as possible, and it's running lean. I'm calling this one busted, I'm calling it whipped. You can't just go down to the gas station, throw E-85 into your gas tank, and think it's going to run. It's not going to. What do you need? Pretty much you need one of the electronic fuel injection systems they sell that you can add onto this carburetor or onto a scoop pretty much. It's going to be able to dump a whole bunch of fuel on there, and hopefully you can tune it so at idle you're going to have one amount that's going to be dumping in, and then once you hit that gas, once you get those RPMs up, it's going to go and dump even more into it. That's what it's going to need. I can't do that. So I'm calling it myth busted. It's going to be whipped. I give up. It is what it is. So thank you everybody for watching. Check out my Patreon channel. The link's going to be down in the description below. You'll be able to help out my channel. I also have a link to our PayPal donation if you just want to straight donate to my channel. Every little bit helps, as much as the likes, comments, notifications that you get so you can watch the videos and keep up with it. I appreciate everything you guys do, and appreciate all the help that you guys do for the channel. And if with that, as I always say, thank you for everything. Ride safe, drive safe, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.